human healthcare needs are the same all around the world, but regulatory systems are different, economic availability is different, and demographics are different. If you can bring insights from different geographies where you have deep experience into different healthcare subsectors, but then pair them with the right kind of local expertise to make sure we're not trying to put a square peg into a round hole, but we're really understanding the nuances of what inevitably is a pretty intensely local healthcare market.
Bain Capital has an integrated global approach that really allows us to leverage relationships, expertise, and experiences from one part of the world and apply them in a new geography. We love to leverage our partners and colleagues in other parts of the firm and work in a very collaborative way.
When I look at my colleagues from different parts of the world, there is so much of expertise that is sitting between all these different teams. And you're able to bring in insights and understanding of the local markets to identify what is the right opportunity for Bain Capital.
We can draw on our ventures group, our life sciences group, our tech opportunities fund, our private equity groups across Europe and Asia to drive innovation.
Many years ago, when I was working in Europe, we had a European pharmaceutical business called BPL. One of the opportunities we thought we could help the company realize was expanding in the US. At the time, we were investors in HCA, and they were one of the biggest buyers of this company's products. And it was one of the things that actually enabled us to really think, boy, this actually really is a big opportunity in the US.
In Europe, we have invested in this company called Stada, where we have a real effort to develop a biosimilar pipeline. And that knowledge that we have accumulated in the biosimilar space is really helpful to our Asian colleagues and to our North American colleagues. And so we spend a lot of time with them around that topic on a global basis, but really leveraging the experience that we have accumulated thanks to our Stada investment.
Nichigakkan is a great example where we brought strength from Tokyo office. We could secure exclusive status with the founder family to take this company private. We also need to be comfortable about the asset quality in the middle of COVID-19. In terms of the sector this company operates, which is an aged care services provider, we could leverage our North American team's experience in the sector when we underwrote the potential and the quality of the asset, and also operational improvement opportunities.
So Hugel is an investment that we made with our colleagues over in Asia out of private equity. We needed folks who understood Asia well. We needed folks who understood global markets well. We needed folks who understood the aesthetic market well. And we needed folks who could think about the regulatory and the clinical pathway. That's purpose-built for a collaboration between the life sciences team and the private equity team.
Our ability to collaborate globally and to leverage deep vertical knowledge was critical to timely deal execution.
We partnered with CTS in 2022. They were super excited about the Bain Capital brand and also people, right? What we can bring to bear here to them in terms of both helping them think through what's the next stage of evolution and connecting the dots and helping them actually make that journey. We had a couple of other colleagues join our IC who bring in the expertise and knowledge of US healthcare, which helps inform the conviction. And the reality is we have such deep presence across the ecosystem of healthcare, whether it's payers or providers or medtech. I think collection of all those insights really informs the conviction.
We work as partners just to have the best team on the field at any given point in time. We're going to see more globalization, and we're going to see how we can leverage those insights across broader and broader parts of the healthcare ecosystem.